Hello students, today I am starting Unit 5, the Mensuration chapter, Chapter 16, Area of Trapezium and a Polygon. So, first of all, we will recall some formula. Rectangle, its formula is length into breadth. Square, area, side square. Parallelogram, area is base into altitude. Triangle, half into base into height. Equilateral triangle, area is root 3 upon 4 into side square. Circle, area is equals to pi r square. So in this exercise we will read new area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is half into sum of parallel sides into height. See, this is trapezium. Suppose this one side is, these two are parallel sides and this is the height h. So the sum of these two sides into h. So let's start the exercise. Exercise 16a, question number 1. Find the area of the following trapezium. Height is given, parallel side is given. So apply the formula. Write down the formula. Formula is must in all the questions. I have written here. Area of trapezium is equals to half into sum of parallel sides into height. So half into, see, sides are 8 and 10 and height is 7. So 8 plus 10 into 7. 8 plus 10, 18 into 7, 2 9s are 9 7s are 63 centimeter. Answer. Question 2. A garden is in the form of trapezium whose parallel side are 40 and 22 and the perpendicular distance is 12. Find the area of the garden. Garden is in trapezium shape, so area of garden will be half into sum of parallel side into height. Put the value, parallel sides are 40 and 22, height is 12. 2 6 are 12, 40 plus 22, 62 into 6, 372 meter square. Third question. Two parallel sides of trapezium are 85 and 63. Area is this, find its altitude. Student, you have to write the same formula in all questions. First write this formula, then put the value. Area is 2664, half into parallel sides are 85 and 63. Calculate h. Just do the cross multiply by 2. 2664 into 2 is equals to 148 into h. H is equals to, now just do the division. Solve it. Divide this 666 by 37. It cut by 18, so 18 to the 36 centimeter is your answer. Now, next question. Student, fourth question is same as third question. In this question also you have to calculate height. Fifth, find the sum of the length of the bases of trapezium whose altitude is 17 and whose area is 0.85. You have to calculate the sum of the length. So, student, this 17 centimeter convert into meter, 0.17 meter. So 0.85, this is area, half into sum of parallel side into 0.17. So sum of parallel side 0.85 into 2 upon 0.17. Decimal remove, 17 5 is 85. 5 2 is 10. 10 meter is your answer. Sixth, area of trapezium is 210. Height is 14. If one of the parallel side is double that of the other, find two parallel side. Let one parallel side is x, so other side is double, that means 2x. Area is 210 is equals to half into x plus 2x into 14. 2 7 is 14. 210 is equals to 2x plus x 3x into 7. So x is 210 upon 3 into 7. 7 3 is 21, 0. 3 10 is 30 is equal to 10. So x is 10 and other side 2x is 2 into 10, 20 centimeter. Answer. Seventh, the area of trapezium is 300 meters square. The perpendicular distance between two parallel side is 15 meter. If the difference of the parallel side is 16, find the length of the parallel side. In this question, the difference of two parallel side is 16. So one is, suppose let one side is x, other parallel side will be x minus 16. Now again this question is same as 6. 300 is equal to half into x plus sum. Do the sum of parallel side x plus x minus 16 into height. So just cross multiply by 2, 300 by 2 and divide by 15. X plus x 2x minus 16. Solve it. 15 to the 30, 0, 20 to the 40. 40 is equal to 2x minus 16. So 2x is 40 plus 16, that is 56. So x is 56 upon 2, 28. So one side 28, other side will be x minus 16, that is 28 minus 16, that is 12. Now next question, 8. The length of the parallel side of a trapezium are in the ratio 3:5. So one side is x, other parallel side 5x. And the distance between them is 10, area is 120, so find the length. So 120 is half into one side 3x, other side 5x, so 3x plus 5x into 10, 120 into 2, 3 plus 5, 8, 8x into 10, so x is equals to 120 into 2 upon 8 into 10. Do the cutting, 0, 0 cancel, 2 4s are 8, 4 3s are 12, so x is 3. So one side is 3x, 3x is 3 3s are 9 centimeter, and second will be 5x, so 5x 5 3s are 15 centimeter. Answer. Next question number 9. Two parallel sides of an isosceles trapezium are 6 and 14 respectively. If the length of each non-parallel side is 5, find the area of trapezium. See student, this is the figure of the trapezium. These two, they are non-two parallel side, both of them are 5, and this one side is 6 and other is 14. Whatever we first of all do, we will do construction. Right here, construction. We draw CF parallel to AD. Here AB is 14. So what will be AF? AF and CD are same. So BF, this BF side will be 14 minus 6, 8. Again we draw construction, draw CE perpendicular on BF. So it is a perpendicular. This is 5, this is also 5. So this triangle FCB, it is an isosceles triangle. This is a property of the isosceles triangle, that this perpendicular line bisects the third side. So FE is equal to B is equals to 8 upon 2, that is 4. Now in triangle CFE, this is 8, this is 8 centimeter, this is 5. So we can calculate this side by Pythagoras theorem. So triangle CFE, CF square is FE square plus C square by Pythagoras theorem. 5 square is 4 square plus C square. 25 is equal to 60 plus C square is 25 minus 16, that is 9. So C square root of 9 is 3. So that means this is 3, height is 3. Now area of trapezium, half into sum of parallel side into height. Parallel side 6 and 14, height is 9. 6 plus 14, 20, and into 3, 2 10 ja, and 3 ja 30 centimeter square. Basically student, in this question, we will do construction to calculate this height only. Next question. Tenth question again is as same as question 6, 7, 8. And 11, it is a simple question. Just calculate the area and multiply by the cost. Then you can calculate the cost. Student, question number 12 is as same as question number 9. 9 and 12 both are same. In the question, this question also you have to calculate the height. Now come to question number 13. This is the figure of question 13. In the figure, AB and CD are parallel side. This is 90 degree angle. AB is 15, CD is 40, diagonal AC is 41. So now this is the figure of trapezium. Calculate the area. Student, we have to calculate this AD side because this will be the height of the trapezium. See, this is the right angle triangle. So in this right angle triangle, ADC, see, in ADC, AC square, see, this AC square is equals to AD square plus CD square by Pythagoras theorem. by Pythagoras theorem. So put the value AC 41, CD 40, calculate AD. Root 41 square minus 40 square, root 41 square means 1681, 40 square 1600, subtracted 81. So root 81 is 9. It means height is 9. So area of trapezium, half into sum of parallel side height. Parallel side are 1540. So 15 plus 40, 55 into 9 upon 2. Multiply 495 upon 2. Do divide 247.5 centimeter square. Answer. Question number 14. This is a different question. This is the area of the field. See, this is a pentagonal field. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is having 5 sides, so it is pentagonal field. You have to calculate the area. All the dimensions are given in this figure. So see this question, how to do. See, I have written here the formula of area of triangle. Area of triangle is half into base into altitude. So calculate one area. First of all, I am calculating area of triangle DFC. Half into base 20 and height 30. This is 30. 2 tangent and 3 is 30, 300 meters square. Now area of triangle BGC. This one. Base 50, height 40 plus 30, 70. GC side. This GC side 40 plus 30, 70. Again, half into 50 is 70. Multiply 1750 meters square. Now area of triangle AEH. AEH. This is 30 and this is 50. Base 30, height 50. Calculated 215 is 1550 is 750. This area is left. Area of triangle AGB. See, calculate this AG side 50 plus 30. This is 50 and this is 30. 50 plus 30, 80. This AG side. AG is 50 plus 30, 80. So height 80 and base 50. Put it. 225 is 25 into 80, 2000 meters square. Now one figure is left, this trapezium. Parallel sides are 30 and 20 and height is 30 plus 40, 70. FH is 70. You can say FH is 30, 40, 70 centimeters. So half into 30 plus 20 into 70. 235 is 30 plus 20, 15 to 35, 1750. Now area of pentagonal field, just write all the areas and add it. 300 plus 1750 plus 750 plus 2000 plus 1750. Add all the area, your answer will be 6550 meter square. This is your answer. So student, this is our last question. This exercise is completed. Do these all questions in your classwork notebook. The questions which are in your video, you have to do only in your classwork notebook. So complete your work. Okay student, God bless you all. Bye-bye.